8 times 3 is 24. So you have 24. 2 square, 4. Here 7 times 2, negative 14. And then combine like terms, this is negative 18. 24 minus 18 is 6. Any question? Rigonta. Can I start on number 7? Can I just do it here? Can I continue it here? For number 7? Okay. So number 7 is find the area between curves. Now, what do you think is the graph of this parabola? It's gonna be shifted 2 units down, right? Because it's going to be negative 2. So the behavior of this for number 7, you're going to graph a parabola, and the concavity of this parabola is up because the coefficient of power of x squared is positive. So that's going to be 3x squared plus x minus 2. Therefore, it's gonna be 2 units below, down. So just sketch. Okay, that's the parabola. And what's next? A line. What is that line? X plus 1. That means guaranteed the line crosses right here at 1. You get me? Crosses at 1. So just make a line that crosses at 1. This is the sketch now. Okay? So the thing is, we want to know the intersection of the red and what color is this? I'm colorblind. Is this yellow? Okay. So it is understood that the upper curve, I just say curve, a line could be a curve, right? This is our f of x, always. What is above is the f of x. And what is below in this? So this is the g of x, okay? The yellow is the g of x. Now remember, area is f of x minus g of x. The upper curve minus the lower curve. So we are trying to solve for the area of this region. The area of this region. Now, any technique to solve for the intersection, can you share what to do? To solve for the intersection of the curves, the red and the yellow. Isn't it that we are trying to equate f of x equals g of x? Am I right, guys? Okay, so you equate f of x, meaning f of x is equal to g of x. F of x is equal to g of x. I'll do color coding, okay? So what is f of x?
X plus 1.
X plus 1. So we have x plus 1 equals, what is g of x? 3x squared then plus x minus 2. So plus x minus 2. Now, what you notice, what cancels out here? The x, right? Because if we subtract both sides by x, this is x minus x. This is x minus x. So we just do process of cancellation. We cancel this, we cancel this. Yeah? Okay, and what's next?
Minus
Move this to
This side.
the left side. So this is just the same as adding both sides by 2. So the left side now, I'll just write right away 3. And the right side is 3x squared. And what we do? Are we dividing both sides by 3? If we divide both sides by 3, what happens right here?
Plus or minus 1.
Okay, so we have x squared, and then we take the square root, right? So therefore, our limit is plus and minus 1. So which means this is negative 1, and this is positive 1. That's our limit. Clear? Okay? So we now formulate what is asked is area of this bounded region. So area now is equal to the integral from
Negative 1.
negative 1 to 1, and then you have f of x minus g of x dx. Okay, can you do first by yourself? So the f of x is x plus 1, right? And the g of x is 3x squared plus x minus 7. 2. Okay, minus 2. And then you have 3x. So distribute. The common error of students is they forgot to distribute the sign. That's the error. Okay? So we have the integral from negative 1 to 1, and this is now x plus 1 minus 3x squared minus x plus 2. And then combining like terms before you do antiderivative. So what cancels out right here? The x cancels out, right? Positive and negative. And then combine this. So this becomes now the integral from negative 1 to 1. And you have 3, or can I write first negative 3x squared plus 3. And then you now take the antiderivative. Okay? Please feel free to ask questions, guys. Don't be shy. Okay, I'm here to help you pass the AP test. Okay. So this means negative 1 to 1. So we take the antiderivative now. So this is negative 3x to the power of 3 over 3 plus 3x evaluated from negative 1 to 1. So the 3 cancels out, but it's going to be negative, right? Okay, so I'll just simplify further. So you have now negative x cubed plus 3x evaluated from negative 1 to 1. Okay, I need you to continue by yourself. And if you have the answer, let me know. Can I erase this now? This side? reasons why I erased this way. I don't have it because I want you to see it clear. Because other teachers are doing this very hand. So one direction. I love one direction.
Yes.
Okay. Let's move on to number 8. I'm not used to chalk anymore because with the advent of technology we have a lot. We are using Promethean boards, so it's just not screen. So anybody has the answer?
4.
Huh? Do you guys get 4? Everybody has 4? So that's the right answer. So the area is 4. And then indicate the units. The units will cry if you don't put the unit. Just say 4 square units. Okay? 4 square units because this is area. I just have this